Thanks so much for watching AM Northwest. If you're tired of wearing turtlenecks or scarves to hide a sagging neckline and double chin, our next guest can really help. We welcome back from aesthetic medicine, Dr. Jerry Darm, along with his patient, Tracy Owen. Good to see you. Good to meet you. Okay, Dr. Darm, tell me about the procedure that you use.
Well, the LipoLift's a laser that goes under the skin, melts the fat, and it tightens the skin at the same time. Very benign. Do it on a Friday, back to work on a Monday. And we've done thousands and thousands.
So it's not a surgery, no knives involved, right?
No, it's really more of a procedure, kind of like a dental procedure. You're using lidocaine, you put it underneath the skin to numb things up. You don't have to be put to sleep. You don't need any general anesthesia. So it's really a benign procedure.
Love that. All right, Tracy, tell me, why did you decide to seek help?
I felt like I was looking a little old because of the saggy skin, and I felt like if I had something done that it would take some age off of me.
Right, because the chin definitely affects the profile.
Absolutely.
Right? And this is something that happened over time.
Yes,
obviously.
definitely.
All right, so we're taking a look at a before and after. So Dr. Darm, talk to me about what we're seeing here.
Well, the chin, you know, it's a fullness that we were treating with her, and that does, you know, it just does a wonderful job, especially for your profile.
It looks great, huh?
Absolutely.
I mean, that's amazing. So tell me about the process for you, Tracy.
The process was actually, as Dr. Darm explained, it was very easy. You know, you go in, you're in and out in a couple of hours. I spent the weekend in a bandage, and by Monday I was back to work. I wore a scarf for a couple of days. There was minimal bruising, and I felt great afterwards.
And no pain involved, or minimal pain?
Very little pain.
Yeah.
Very little pain involved.
Enough aspirin, probably, I'm assuming?
Absolutely.
Yeah. And what do you think now when you look in the mirror and when you put your clothes on? And
I am so pleased with my appearance now. I really, as I tell people who ask me, you know, how do you feel having done this? I feel like I look 10 years younger.
Yeah, and have family members, have friends noticed? If so, what have they said?
People who see me on a regular basis, the first thing they say is, wow, you look so much younger, and you look so much better. And I'm happier.
Yeah, because the chin does do that, kind of affects your age, doesn't it?
And some people just have genetically, you know, large chins, basically, and so even as in younger years, in their 20s and so on. So, you know, what's really interesting is that what we're finding now is not only the fullness of the neck, but also if there's sort of the dewlap, the wrinkling, those are responding as well.
Oh, really?
Which is really interesting.
That's huge.
Because normally you'd have to do surgery to get rid of those, but now we can do it with just this minimally invasive procedure. So.
And the whole LipoLift can be used in different areas too, right?
Oh, sure. We can do your tummy, your sides, you know, the thighs. All those areas respond as well.
Well, that's fantastic, and all the same recovery time. Really no downtime.
Pretty much, really.
Yeah,
just a day.
Yeah.
Really, just a day of downtime. So.
Okay. We want to tell folks, if they'd like to find out more about LipoLift or any of your procedures, contact Aesthetic Medicine in Lake Oswego. The phone number is 503-697-9777. Thank you both so much, and you look great,
Thanks.
Tracy.
Thank you.